Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Nest model and firmware. This prevents surprises later. Plug the device in and watch for a steady white LED. Once seen, open the Google Home app on your phone. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then tap Add, Set up Device, and choose New Device. Make sure to allow Bluetooth and location permissions. These let the app find the Nest automatically and start the configuration over your local network. Once the app detects your Nest, you'll be prompted to pick your Wi-Fi network. Choose the correct SSID and enter the password precisely, because case matters. After connection, assign the device to a room and give it a clear name so voice commands work reliably. Enable remote access and any voice assistant links if you want hands-free control. Finally, review privacy toggles, camera, microphone, and allow the app to download updates. These improve stability and security, so install them when prompted. Finish by running the device health check in the app and testing core functions, live feed, notifications, or temperature control, so you confirm everything works. Set up routines or automations and add household members with appropriate permissions. If something breaks, try this key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle the Nest and your router, then retry the setup within 5 to 10 meters of the router to avoid weak signals. If it still fails, remove the device from Google Home and repeat the add device flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.